What's up everybody, Ryan here. I am out on a preventative maintenance / filter change, and we got this old Carrier here, and the manager mentioned that wasn't heating, so we're gonna take a quick peek. I've written this thing up to be replaced numerous times. Freaking tree. Look at this. It's a piece of junk. But anyway, we'll dive into it here and see if we can figure anything out. I'd like to get this freaking tree out of here.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. You should get to the point where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it! If you're tired of starting over, stop giving up.
Okay, there we go. At least now I can get to the electrical panel. Now I'm in Cuyahoga Falls. Cuyahoga Falls, right near Akron. Anyway, guess we'll start with this one first, see what's going on with it. It's a real beauty. Yeah, buddy. The filter looks brand new. This is the old one. Here's the new one. So it does not appear that this thing's been doing a whole lot of running. So get this cover put back on. Open it up, see if we've got any power. All right, I got her opened up, and we have power. We have 24 volts coming off the transformer, and I decided to open this side up. It looks like we've got a pilot out. We have a standing pilot on this thing. Lovely. Yeah, so let me go find a lighter. I don't know if I have one, and we'll see if we can get this thing relit. But I'm gonna be writing this thing up yet again because it's a piece of junk. I'll be back. All right, I had it relit. Wind must have blown it out. But yeah, we're a piece of junk here. And there she goes. Alright, I'm here for the air conditioning inspection. I'm gonna get this ancient freaking Carrier heating. Look at that. Well, we better make sure the blower works. Don't hear a blower. Oh, I hear a blower now. Well, let's take a peek at it. And then you can get a good look at the back side of the heat exchanger, which I've inspected it before. Beautiful. Yeah, I see a bare wire. Better make sure that thing isn't live. Oh, that's a hot wire right there, 117 volts. So we better take care of that. All right, now, before it arcs out on the cabinet. Who knows where it went. Can't imagine they've got this thing calling for heat back there. Yeah, I might have to give that heat exchanger another look. Anyway, let me get this wire taken care of. Well guys, I got the lid off it. One of these little divots is rotted out. I can't really get to it, but if you feel with your finger right there, I can feel it. Just kind of pushed right in. So this old Carrier has come to the end of its heating days. I'll tell you that. Boom. So shutting her off. I'm gonna put her back together, run it in air conditioning, see if there's any refrigerant even in this thing. I'll be back with you here in a sec. All right, we do have pressure. I was kind of hoping we didn't. Got 126 pounds of standing pressure, so I'm going to button it back up, power it on, and see if it works. It's an old school one right here, boys. Anyway, let me get the top back. Oh, hiccups are back. Let me get the top back on it and get the AC going. Well, she's running. She's running in air conditioning. Oh. I'll throw this panel back on here. What a piece of junk. I'm getting all the junk. I don't think I'm going to be looking too deep into it as long as it's running. Oh. I think we're going to call that one good. I got these other two to change filters on and cycle. Geez, I got hiccups, I got sneezes. Running about 64 pounds of suction pressure. I don't even see a liquid line port on this, so she ain't freezing, she's blowing, she got a new filter. I'm calling her good, but the heat is disabled. In fact, I'm going to write on it right now that the heat's disabled, and that's it. Gas is off. Yo, good enough. She's an oldie. Standing pilot, natural draft, bad heat exchanger, very compact. Where's the drain at on this sucker? Oh, I believe that's it right there. That is it. No trap. It's on the positive side. It sucks your air in here, through the heat exchanger, and then through the coil right here. So you don't need a trap because it's on the positive side. Lovely. Found the bare wire, bad heat exchanger. Air conditioning seems to be doing well, but that's it. I'm moving on to the rest of the stuff. No heat for you. Anyway, fun and excitement. All right, they're not even calling for air conditioning. Schrader core, of course. There we go. Ta-da! Got a gasket. Nice and tight. I just replaced this timer and contactor here in the winter. And seam hadn't rotted out then. I gave it a look then, but it's rotting out now. So I guess it doesn't matter when it happens, as long as it happens. Get this panel on, I'm gonna move on to the other two units. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this old Carrier beat up piece of crap. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it. It's free. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Tell your friends about the videos. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.